Hey friend, welcome to Gentle English, a quiet place to help you listen, relax, and slowly understand real English. If fast conversations feel hard to follow, you're not alone. Here, we take it step by step. No pressure, no rush. Just clear, simple English you can actually feel. If you're enjoying this, feel free to like and subscribe. Today, let's talk about something that worries a lot of learners: fast English. You study. You learn vocabulary. You even understand English when you read it. But when native speakers start talking, it's like whoosh. Everything blurs together. You catch one word here, one word there, and the rest is just a cloud of sound. That's frustrating and exhausting. Maybe you've thought, why can't I understand them? Why is English so fast? Is something wrong with me? Let me gently remind you, nothing is wrong with you. You're not bad at listening. You're just trying to listen to something you haven't trained for yet. Let's imagine this. You're trying to catch a train. But the train isn't waiting at the station. It's already moving. You run after it. It's fast. You feel like you'll never catch it. That's what fast English feels like at first. The words come quickly. They slide into each other. Before you understand one sentence, the next one is already gone. And textbooks? They never taught you how to run for that train. In school, you probably learned like this. I am going to the store. But in real conversations, people say, I'm going to the store. Or even, gonna go to the store. They say it quickly. They connect the words. And they don't pause after every word like your teacher did. That's what makes it hard. Not the words, but the way they're spoken. You've been trained to read English. But listening is different. It's feeling rhythm, recognizing patterns, trusting your ears. And that takes practice. Before we practice together, ask yourself, when you hear fast English, do you panic? Freeze? Stop listening? That's normal. But don't try to catch every word. Try to hear the emotion, the rhythm, the intent. That's the beginning of real understanding. Now, let's slow things down and do a little gentle listening practice together. Practice with connected speech and rhythm. Let's practice together now. This part will help you hear how real English sounds when it's spoken naturally. We'll start with short phrases, slow first, then natural speed. You'll hear it. Then I'll ask you to repeat it. No stress. No need to be perfect. Just listen, feel the rhythm, and try your best. Phrase 1. Slow, what are you doing? Natural, whatcha doing? Now you try. Say it slowly first, what are you doing? Good. Now try the fast version, whatcha doing? Phrase 2. Slow, I want to eat. Natural, I wanna eat. Your turn. Say it slowly. I want to eat. Now say, I want to eat. Phrase 3. Slow, let me help you. Natural, let me help you. You try. Slow version, let me help you. Now soft and natural, let me help you. Phrase 4. Slow, did you see it? Natural, did ya see it? Say it with me slowly, did you see it? Now try, did ya see it? Phrase 5. Slow, I'm going to call her. Natural, I'm gonna call her. Your turn. Slow, I'm going to call her. Natural, I'm gonna call her. Now, let's try a short story. First, I'll say it slowly. Then naturally. Mini listening story, slow version. This morning, I was going to make some tea, but I couldn't find the kettle. I looked everywhere. Then I realized it was already on the stove, boiling. Mini listening story, natural speed. This morning I was gonna make some tea, but I couldn't find the kettle. I looked everywhere, then I realized it was already on the stove, boiling. Try repeating after me in parts. Part 1. This morning I was gonna make some tea. Part 2. But I couldn't find the kettle. Part 3. I looked everywhere, then I realized. Part 4. It was already on the stove, boiling. Now say the full thing with me slowly. This morning I was gonna make some tea, but I couldn't find the kettle. I looked everywhere, then I realized it was already on the stove, boiling. Let's pause for a moment. How did that feel? Were there words you missed? Did you catch the rhythm? Even if it felt hard, that's okay. This is how your brain learns. By listening, repeating, listening again. When you repeat phrases like this, you're doing more than just copying words. You're training your brain to recognize sound patterns. Your ears are learning to listen like a native speaker. And the more you do it, slowly, gently, the easier it gets. Your gentle daily listening routine. Let's talk about something simple but powerful. A daily routine. Not hours of study. Not complicated lessons. Just a few quiet minutes each day to train your ears gently and consistently. Step 1. Choose a short clip. Find a short video with native speakers. It can be a movie scene, a podcast, or even a YouTube vlog. Make sure it's around 1 minute long. Just a short moment of real English. Pick something you enjoy. Step 2. Listen without subtitles. Press play. No subtitles. Just listen. Let the sounds wash over you. Don't try to understand every word. Try to catch the feeling. Guess the main idea. Step 3. Listen again with subtitles. Play the same clip again, now with subtitles. Pause after each sentence. Repeat the sentence out loud. Copy the words, the rhythm, the emotion. Let's try it now. Slow, I don't really know what happened. Natural, I don't know what happened. Try the slow version, I don't really know what happened. Now natural, I don't know what happened. Let's do one more. Slow, are you going to tell her? Natural, you gonna tell her? Repeat, you gonna tell her? Step 4, the 1-minute rewind. Rewind the same video. Choose just one sentence that was hard. Play it again. Try to catch every word. Pause. Repeat. Write it down if you want. Step 5, picture it in your mind. Close your eyes. Listen to that sentence again. Now imagine it like a scene in a movie. This helps English become part of your natural thinking. Step 6, celebrate small wins. Even if you understood just one more sentence today, that's a win. Learning this way is not fast, but it's real, and it lasts. Your Gentle English daily routine. 1. Choose a short clip. 2. Listen without subtitles. 3. Listen again, shadow and repeat. 4. Rewind and focus on one sentence. 5. Visualize it. 6. Celebrate progress. Mindset matters, be kind to yourself. You're doing something amazing. You're learning a language. But sometimes it feels slow, hard, frustrating. Maybe you've thought, I still can't understand fast English. What's wrong with me? Let me remind you. Nothing is wrong with you. Learning a language takes patience, confidence, and trust. When it feels like nothing is working, remember, your brain is adjusting. Like building muscle. You don't see the change right away. But every small repetition is working. Listening is deep work. Your brain is matching sounds, guessing meaning. That's tiring. But it gets easier. You're not failing. You're growing. Your goal is not to be perfect. It's to understand more than yesterday. Compare yourself to yesterday's you. You're not here to be perfect. You're here to grow, gently. Be kind to your ears. Your ears learn best when they feel safe. Speak gently to your inner voice. Repeat with softness. Don't rush. Repeat again. Let it sink in. Celebrate the small wins. Did you understand a new phrase? Say something more clearly? That's a win. You're not behind. You're not slow. You're exactly where you need to be. A gentle listening story, from slow to fast. Now let's bring everything together. I'll tell you one short story. 3 times. 1. Slow. 2. Normal. 3. Fast and natural. First, slow version. Yesterday. I woke up, feeling a little tired. It was raining outside. The sky was gray and quiet. I made a cup of tea and sat by the window, listening to the rain. I didn't feel like doing anything, but I told myself, just do one small thing. So, I opened my notebook and wrote one sentence. That one sentence turned into a second, then a third. By the end of the day, I had written a full page, and I smiled, because I didn't think I could. But I did. One small step was all it took. Second, normal speed. Yesterday, I woke up feeling a little tired. It was raining outside. The sky was gray and quiet. I made a cup of tea and sat by the window, just listening to the rain. I didn't feel like doing anything. But I told myself, just do one small thing. So I opened my notebook and wrote one sentence. That one sentence turned into two, then three. By the end of the day, I had written a full page. And I smiled, because I didn't think I could. But I did. One small step was all it took. Third, fast, natural speed. Yesterday I woke up feeling a little tired. It was raining out, the sky was gray and quiet. I made a cup of tea, sat by the window, listened to the rain. Didn't feel like doing much, but I told myself, just one small thing. So I opened my notebook, wrote a sentence. That turned into two, then three. By the end of the day, I'd written a full page. And I smiled, 'cause I didn't think I could. But I did. One small step. That's all it took. Final message. Even if you didn't catch every word, did you feel the rhythm? Did you follow the mood? That's listening. Repeat after me. One small step was all it took. One small step's all it took. That's all you need today. Thanks for spending this quiet time with me. Remember, every small step you take makes a difference. Keep listening. Keep going. You're doing better than you think. If you found this helpful, feel free to like, subscribe, or come back anytime for more gentle English. Until next time, take care of your ears and take care of yourself.